Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Hyundai Smart Key. So we have our Smart Key here and our new battery. First thing we're going to do is take the key out of the bottom. I'm going to press this button here, pull the key out, and we're actually going to use the key to open this. And how we're going to do that is, get in the camera here. You can see this slot right here. We're going to put the key in that slot and then turn it like this, like a key in the ignition. Make sure you have it all the way in. So push in, turn. It'll kind of pop it open up like that. Now, before you pull this apart, you're going to want to make sure to keep your buttons facing down, otherwise they'll fall out. You can put them back in, but it's just easier if they don't. So keep our buttons down, and we'll pick up on the shell. Set that down. Take the board out. We can set that there. I'm going to grab our key again and kind of use the edge of it just to get the battery out of there like that. Old battery out. Our new battery, I should also mention this is going to be a CR2032 battery. Then we're going to put our new battery in and need to make sure to have the plus side, as you can see here, the plus on the side, plus side down. So we're going to have the plus side down. Make sure it's all the way in there like that. Put this back together. Put the board back in this little rubber grommet piece. That. Line this button up in this round hole right here. Push it together. Let's see. Button's lighting up. It's working. Slide that back in there. And that's it. Pretty easy. If you could take a second to like the video and subscribe, it helps the channel out and we'd appreciate it. Thank you.